Welcome to Third Day Reviews, where today we're taking a look at an adjustable double-edged safety razor. This here safety razor is made by QShave, and it's a copy of the Marker Future, which is quite a bit more expensive than this one is. This one here is made out of aluminum alloy and comes in at a hefty 3 ounces. So it's definitely got some weight to it, and it also has a 3.5-inch handle. Now most products I use for 30 days, this one I've been using for 2 months. Now before I tell you guys my shaving experience with this razor, I want to show you guys how this came packaged because it was rather impressive to me for the price that this comes in at. As you can see, the QShave comes in a nice flat black box with shiny lettering that says QShave, time to enjoy the shave. Once you open the box, you've got a little brush. And you'll see this little leather thing here. This is a cover for the shaver for travel. In this box, you have the stand. That is just a heavy alloy aluminum with a hole in the top. Then you've got the shaver. Underneath that, there's a couple of little pamphlet type things here to look through. One of them is a how-to. Another one just has some shaving supplies to purchase. To get to the razor, you just simply pull it out of the bottom. Doesn't that look nice? I really like that. The razor just pulls out the top, and then in the bottom it came with 5 razor blades. Setup of this razor is extremely easy. To change the blade or to put a blade in, you simply pop the top off, take your old blade out. And as you can see, what holds the top in is these 2 little pieces of metal here that acts as a retainer. Then you simply put the blade back in, take your top, line it up, make sure both sides are popped in, and you're ready to shave again. The settings go from 1 to 6, 1 being a mild shave, and 6 being an aggressive. Over the last 2 months, I've been able to really give the settings a go and give them a chance and figure out how I wanted to use the setting feature on this. And I think there's 2 things that you can do. You can either 1, find your setting, leave it there, call it good, and never have to worry about it again. Or you could do what I did and find a couple of numbers that you like and use them every time. What I ended up doing was I would lather up my face, shave it down with a 3, and then I would lather it back up again, and then turn it up to 6 and shave my face again. This is just what worked for me. Everybody kind of has their own thing. I like to use the 3 to get most of the hair off my face, and then I like to turn it up to 6 to really get that nice close shave and also do a little bit of touch-ups. Now I probably could have dropped that down to a 5 and maybe even a 4.5 because I did end up having a few issues on a couple of my birthmarks. I did nick myself with the 6 a couple of times. And that's because 6 really has a large gap and really allows pretty much any little bump to get in there to be cut by the razor. A couple of features that I like in the design, and once again this is a copy of the Marker Future, so that one's going to have the same kind of features, but I like the fact that this has a nice deep well in it so that when you're shaving your face, the hair can go into there and you're not having to rinse every single stroke. I also like the fact that it's got nice wide open ends so that when you go to rinse it out, the hair in there has no problem coming out. And to make sure of that, they've even got 4 nice size slits on the very bottom to really help that rinsing process go smoothly. Now unfortunately there is one design thing that I'm not a fan of this razor, and that is that the blade is so much smaller than the head of the razor itself. Which means that when you're trying to get close up to the nose, when you're trying to get close up around the ears, you've got quite a big distance between where you can shave and where you can't. So I ended up having to get kind of inventive on where I was going to shave. Now I shave vertically and then horizontally anyway, so it wasn't that big of a deal for me. However, if you're a guy that's used to going vertically all the time and not horizontally, you're going to end up having to make that change, because this just isn't going to get as close as you need to your ears or possibly your nose and your mouth as well. Now, when I first pulled this out of the box, I thought that it might be a little heavy for what I was going to like. However, turns out it's a very comfortable razor to shave with. Now, I don't see this thing breaking on me anytime soon, so I think that this is a good razor for somebody that wants to try an adjustable razor, whether it's you're just not happy with how close your current razor is getting, or you just want to try out a little bit of a more aggressive razor. You can very easily do that with this, and like I said, find a number that you like and leave it there. Now, you can just buy the razor itself. However, for $26 price tag on the kit, I think that everybody should just go ahead and buy the kit, because like I said, you get the stand, you get the cover, you get 5 blades, and of course you get the razor. However, if you are interested in just getting the razor, both the kit and the razor links will be down below for you. If you like this review, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell button so you're notified whenever I upload a video. And of course, down in the comment section, I want to know what you're currently shaving with. Until next time, you have a good one.